Okay, so Daniel, welcome to the sixth session of the MIT App Inventor, and this is going to be our last class where we will be discussing the power of extensions. So if you remember, I told you an extension is basically like a plugin, okay? So all it does is extend the capabilities of a software or a system. I'm sure you know what a plugin is, right? Because on your browser, be it Google Chrome, Mozilla, or Internet Explorer, you can download plugins, right? So basically, we're going to be dealing with extension in this last module. Okay, so as always, I'm going to go to my MIT App Inventor. So kindly open your MIT App Inventor as well. And for today, we're going to create a new app. And let's create a new project. Actually, we'll create a new project. And the new project will be named, let's give it the name. Give me a second. Let me just let me just reload it. By the way, have I shared my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, I cannot.
Yeah, I think I forgot to share it. Okay. I think now it's shared. Is it shared? Is this better?
Yeah, it's shared.
All right, now, so let's see what we have here. So much time. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna create a new project and we're gonna make it menu bar. Is that okay? So that's the project name. It's a new project, menu bar. Now, as part of this project, what we are interested in is creating a type of a menu bar. Okay, so what's a menu? Tell me what's a menu?
Like a selection of buttons that on the usually like the basically like settings.
Exactly. So simply put, a menu just allows you to redirect the user to other parts of your website or your application. Is that right? Or it can even perform other actions. It depends really. But again, the menu just allows to redirect the user to other parts of your website, or whether it's a website or an application. Okay. So let's say you wanted to use a menu in your application. Okay, now knowing the MIT Inventor, when we look at the palette, you can go through the palette from the user interface panel here to the last one, the extension. You wouldn't, I mean, to the to the extension, you wouldn't find a menu, an extension, or should I say a plugin or a service to be able to do this task. Okay, someone might say that we can do it without having to import an extension, which I do agree. We can actually create a menu bar using the buttons or using the event handler hide and show. Okay, I think I did something like that before. I'm not too sure whether I still have it, but I worked on something like that, but it took a lot of code. Okay, so you had to work with the buttons and create some few layouts. Okay, that would basically hide and show based on the button click. So we don't want to do all that. We want a menu bar that can easily be called and can also easily be uncalled whenever the user maybe swipes from the left to the right or to the right to the left. Okay, so like a type of hide and show. So usually all extensions are shown here. Okay, So when you click the import extension, it will allow you to choose from your computer a file, any file you've downloaded or that extension. Okay, so usually the extension is always a file called AIX. Now we don't have the extension yet. So the first thing you need to do is to go and Google it. Okay, so let's go to MIT App Inventor. So all I'm gonna do is go to MIT App Inventor, extensions. Let's see if they have a website that gives you a list of extension in their library. Daniel, are you okay? Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Will. How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Man, welcome, welcome. I was not sure I was gonna see you for this last class. How is your
Oh
vacation?
no, that was I was on vacation last week when we were supposed to have
Yeah.
the class.
Are you still there or you are back?
I'm here. I'm here.
Well, welcome back, Will. It's nice to have you for this last class.
Yeah.
So we just started. I was just telling Daniel how to find or how to where to go to get resources on the extensions. Okay, so what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a menu bar here. Okay, those type of menu bars like any Android application. Is that okay? When you click, you have a type of menu that just slides on the right or to the left or to the top. You kind of get what I mean, right? No, I told Daniel that we could have created something, using the layout and the buttons and using event handlers to hide and show and so on, but it would be just too much work. Okay, so the best thing that we can do is just use an extension or like a plugin to basically extend the capability of our existing system. So the resource is, I just went to Google really, and I always start by typing in simple words what I'm really looking for in Google. So all I type is MIT App Inventor extension. Okay, so that's the first thing I type just to show you whether the MIT App Inventor has a list of extensions for you, which it does. Okay, so those extensions are not really created. Sometimes they are created by MIT App Inventor, themselves. Sometimes it's really random people out there that create those extensions as a form of help to the community. So you want to always come here and look for it. So, okay, so community.appinventor.mit@edu. Okay, so, and there are so many other websites that gives you, these extensions as well. So let's look at one here. I think this is an image processor. You can see it shows here with some few documentation how to use it, but we are not interested in all that. So I'm gonna just type here menu extension. I'm gonna be more precise. Good. So menu, I'm sure it's gonna give us a lot of things, but I have a specific one I'm interested, which is this one here, the AI2 menu extension. Okay, I need you guys to follow with me as we are going on with this. Okay, so good. Let's see. Actually, there's another one which I'm looking for. Let's see if I can find it. I think it was AIU2 menu extension. Um, So instead of menu bar, how about I click navigation? I type in navigation. That's actually a good idea. You know, whatever resource you get on Google, the ability to get a good result on Google is basically based on what you type within the search bar. It's very, very important. Now let's look at it here. Let's look at it. So I have this. There is this particular menu or navigation bar I'm looking for. Hopefully I get it. I think I should get it. So this is what I will do because I've used it before. I'll come to blood donation here. I've used it here, extension. Yeah, so this is it here. So URS AI2 sidebar. So let's check it out. URS AI2 sidebar. Excellent. So it looks like we are there. So I'm going to go back to the menu bar project that we created, a new one. So what I need you guys, I'm going to copy this link here and send it via the message. And I need you guys to just go there and download it right now. Right, so I've sent it to you. So what you want to do is just download it. I think the downloading file, if I'm not mistaken, is let's scroll down. Actually, let's just come here. Download. When you click download, you have it here. So just download it. It comes as a zip archive. Okay. And you just, all you have to do is just extract it. So I will extract it to my download folder. Once it's extracted, good. Oh, so it's here. So once it's extracted, we should look for this file here. Actually, not this one. Where is it? Ah, it's here. I did not see that. So you should look for this file here, the one with the extension AIX. That's what we are interested in. Okay, guys? So let me know when you are done. So you have like 5 minutes. I think it's too much. I'll just give you 3 minutes to do all of it. Let me know if you have any difficulties, please. Sorry?
I got it.
Okay, good. So Will is on a different computer that won't let me screen share. Well, I haven't activated the screen share for now, Will. You don't need to share your screen for now. Just follow up on what we are doing, and later on, I will check on you guys. Are you able to download the zip file and extract it, Will? So once you've got it, what I need you to do now, Daniel, is go to the import extension, go to from my computer or choose file. Okay, so I'm gonna dive exactly to my downloads, which is here. I'm gonna click this folder here, which I extracted, and I'm gonna select this here, the AIX, and I'm gonna click open and then import. Let's give it some time. Okay, it's been imported. So you should have something that looks like this. Let me know once you do. Will, can you say something? Can you speak?
Oh yeah, I'm here. It's working very weirdly for me. I'm on a Mac.
Okay. And
I'm going to downloads and I just don't see it.
it shouldn't be a problem if you are a Mac. It's a website. So when you are when you click the link, look for this. Look here. Look at my screen. Look for just click download here. It should just
Yeah,
take
and
you.
then you should
Click here. Just click it.
yeah, I'd click that. And
It
I
downloaded.
did everything. And then I went to the file that had the word test in it, and I did everything I was supposed to do there. And now that I go to downloads, it's not. Oh wait. Wait a minute. I
Daniel,
see
are you
something.
okay?
Yeah, I imported.
Excellent. Okay.
Oh, it won't work. It doesn't let me do it. It's
Why?
great.
Listen, it's not an executable file. Do you see the file there, Will?
This, yeah.
Do you see it on your
Yeah,
computer?
that. Alright, wait. Hang on. I see it. And alright, yeah, I got it.
All right.
Should I create a
So,
new? Yeah, I'm gonna create a new
okay.
project.
Okay then. Okay, guys, so once you've imported it, all you have to do is, as always, okay, we just drag it on top of the screen and automatically it gets added as a non-visible component, which I think you guys are very familiar with all these methodologies by now. Okay, so you should see it here as part of the component and you should see its properties. Okay, it's got a background color, which you can give it by default. It's enable fit image size. You've got alignment, whether it's on the left side, etc. You've got the padding icon, padding test. You've got the sidebar with percentage and just so many. Okay, the next thing we will have to do is we'll have to find a way of initiating it, okay, on the screen. So what action should occur before the sidebar that's shown, and what action should occur for the sidebar to just disappear? So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a small menu, okay? And the first thing I'm gonna do is go to layout. I'm gonna lay out my horizontal alignment. By the way, guys, feel free to do this part as you wish, okay? This is just how I'm gonna do it, okay? You don't have to do it the same way I'm doing it, okay? Just use a button or anything you guys want to. So I'm just gonna make it easy, just a button, it's fine. I'm gonna put the button, I'm gonna fill its parent and the height. I'm gonna click this button here. Let's go to layout here. Good. I'm gonna fill the parent and the height. Excellent. So let's put everything in the center. Actually, I'll put it button. Good. And let's give the button a name, which would be show sidebar. Or should I say, let's just make it menu. Yeah, no, display menu. Good. So we have this interface with only one button, which says to display the menu. So the next thing is going back in the blocks as always. Now, Daniel, Will, what is the first thing I need to do here in this case? So we have the component here. We have the menu bar. When you click it, it comes with all these event handlers, these procedures, these getters and setters. Guys, what is the first thing I need to do? Maybe one thing, guys, on the website, you have, I'm gonna close this. So on the website, you have the documentation, which is throughout, explained on how to use it. Okay, it shows you this is the way to create a list of all the menus that you wanted to. You can even include HTML, it seems, which is kind of cool. So this is how you set items, or this is how you create text onto your sidebar. So you can even include, it says here that there's a swipe detector, which is transparent by default. And yeah, and so on. So this is what you can come up at the end of the day. So coming back to our work, Will, Daniel, what is the first thing I need to do here, please?
Will is typing in chat that he can't hear anything.
Did he? Okay, so
Will is typing that he can't hear anything.
oh, I can't hear anything. Let me reset. It should be from his side. If you can hear, it should be from his side. So let me just let him know that maybe try to remove your headset and retry or reset. I don't know, not sure. So Daniel, tell me, what is the first thing I need to do from your experience so far?
Get an event from the button.
Sorry?
Get an event from the button.
Which event?
When it's clicked,
When it's click, what should happen? Daniel?
it should enable the sidebar.
So let's see. Where is the enable sidebar? Tell me which of the, what do I need as for?
You should go down, keep going, and then take one of those.
Are you sure? Daniel, the first thing you need to do is go through either the documentation, or you want to have a look at the blocks that are provided. Are you sure that's what enable does? Enable and disable allows you to basically make a component, what's the word again? It basically allows you to make a component either interactive or not. So when you say it's disabled, that component, so when a button is disabled, you will not be able to interact with the button. Do you understand what I mean? So when I click the button here and I go on top here and I disable it here, on the phone, you would not be able to click. You can see the button, but you will not be able to interact on it. That's what it means, enable and disable. So I don't think that's what you're looking for. So you want to click here and go through the code block. What do you think we should use? Daniel, I'm waiting for you. You have a minute.
I don't know.
Did you look at the event handlers? Did you look at the procedures? And it's pure English. I can just find it like that.
I'm trying to find it. Is it? I don't know. What it is.
You know, Daniel, look again, please. Look, let's start from the event handlers. Which one? Do you think we need an event handler here? That's the first question.
No.
No. Let's go to the procedures. Which of these procedures do you think we can use? I mean, look at your laptop. It's on your laptop.
Oh,
Sorry?
you use the dot show.
Excellent. This is what you need. It goes right in it and it makes completely sense. Now, when you click, you want to show something. Now, what are you going to show when you still have not set up anything? That's the question. Your sidebar menu is kind of empty. So what do you want to show when it's very much empty? So how do you put text in it now? That's the next question. What do you think we should do?
You should mm, you should set bar items to set bar items.
This one or this one?
No, set sidebar items.
Okay, so this one?
Yeah, but that one should be when the screen is initiated.
I love it. It was what I was waiting for you to say, Daniel, for a long time. I didn't want you to talk about the button, the click button, which should be the next second thing. This should have been the first thing we had to do, right? Now, since you've said it, thank you very much. I love that. So this is what we need to do. The first thing you need to do is when the screen has been initialized. Is that right? Now, what do we do next?
You add a make a list.
We make a list. We need to make a list. Okay, so which one should I use? Create an empty list or what?
Oh yeah, actually, wait, no, you should use make a list.
Just make
because
a list.
that'll yeah, because
Good.
that makes a
Now,
brand new list.
Will, if you can hear me, I think I will stop from here. I will give you guys exactly 10 minutes to make up your list and finish up the code. So you guys have 10 minutes. Will, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just show me your screen. So I'm going to enable the screen sharing, and simultaneously, you guys are going to be sharing your screens with me to let me know where you are at. So start working now. Will, kindly share your screen if you can hear me. So I'm going to stop sharing. Excellent. So Will, show me, where are we?
Well, I'd lost audio for a sec. But when I came back, we were talking about a list.
Yeah.
So I have the sidebar extension in.
Excellent.
And so I think we have to make a list. And go something from this procedure, I'm guessing. It's not item text. Would it be? It would be set item text, right?
Look at the documentation, Will. It's on the documentation. Go back to the documentation, please.
Wait, where's the documentation? Is that the thing we were looking at last time?
Yeah, it's on the website. No, it's on the website where you downloaded it.
Oh, all right. I may have deleted that page.
So go to history, go to your website history, your browser's history.
I got it.
Okay, cool. So look at the documentation. What does it say? Scroll down, scroll down. Good.
Oh, okay. All right. So set sidebar item. So that's basically kind of what shows up on the sidebar, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So go back here. then this we can change to settings and then just add like another item if we want.
Excellent.
I'm gonna do about 5 items. So I'm gonna do. I just gotta take a look at this
Now,
first.
where are you going to put? As you can see, it's a procedure. So where in which event handler are you gonna plug it in? I mean, that will not be told in the documentation. This is something I think that you should just know where exactly you would like to make it. Where would you like to call it upon?
I want to call it upon the side.
No, yeah, not that. So, go back to the block of code. Right. So, at what time during the application life cycle is the sidebar gonna be? Is the list gonna be created?
When it's clicked. When it's clicked.
When the so when the button is clicked, it will basically show you. You can make like when the button is clicked, you can make it you can use that event handler to basically display, show, and hide.
Oh.
So you need something more than that.
Selected?
No, wait,
No.
listen. I think you are overthinking. You need to relax when you're creating an application. Take the application, always think of an application. I told you before, it's a step-by-step process. Okay? So when I open my application for a first time, okay? Are you following?
Yes.
When you create any application and I open the application for the first time, at which point in time should the application create the list of the menu? Which point in time should the menu be created? Automatically.
Yeah, immediately.
Yeah, so at which point?
Yeah.
Would you need a button? Would we need to click a button before the menu is created with the text or no?
No. We're just gonna want it pop up automatically. So that would be like when app.
So which code block does that in the app inventor? In the code block?
No, it wouldn't be that one.
You were on the good track. You just went out of the good track.
Oh, okay. All right. So screen 1. Oh, when screen 1 initialize.
Excellent. Now continue
Right.
your work. You have some few minutes and share your screen,
Cool.
and Daniel can show us where he is at. Daniel, please share your screen with us and let us know where you are. Thank you.
Okay, so I guess I'll share my screen now.
Will, could you please
so,
unshare your screen, Will?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's a way for multiple participants to share.
So, this was my start screen.
Okay.
I tried to change these. Back to make a regular screen, but
Okay.
I changed the background color to none, but it's still.
That's fine. That's fine.
I don't know why it's doing that.
Okay.
But this is what I've got so far. So I've got this button.
So wait, Daniel, wait. You say you didn't know. Wait. Go back. We need to tackle all issues. So you say you didn't know why your screen is black.
Okay, so this horizontal arrangement.
Okay.
Just when I was making the first button, when I made the project, I made it the entire screen black.
Okay.
And now I'm changing it back to none.
Okay.
It's not doing anything.
Go to
Maybe
screen.
if I change it to white.
Okay.
No.
Because you're on horizontal. You made the screen 1 color black.
Exactly.
If you're on horizontal, you made horizontal none, so it's open, so it reflects what's behind it.
Exactly. So,
okay, that makes sense.
So Will, the right word will be it inherit. It will inherit that of screen 1. Okay, so go ahead.
My dog's looking at me like.
Okay, so I've got the button.
Okay.
And when the button is clicked, it'll call it to show.
Okay.
And then I have the MIT App Inventor app on my phone.
Okay.
So I was able to test it.
Is it working?
So yeah.
Can
I
I
also
can I try
how
it?
would I do this? Okay,
Thank you.
yeah. I'm
So
gonna have to get out first.
yeah, so
So
you
what it
can
does
just
is
mhm.
It'll take your choice and it'll set it to it'll set the button text to
Mm-hmm.
that to your choice.
Excellent.
It's pretty simple, but it was just for testing out.
That's fine.
Also,
Did you try
I also
swiping?
played
Did you
around
try
with.
swiping your finger from the left to the right?
No, I
It
didn't
does
try
work.
that yet.
It actually does work when you do it. It will, so
Oh,
basically the person doesn't always have to click. You can just swipe and it will
oh.
just show. So anyway, let me just try it.
I also played around with the sidebar width percentage, and I set
Okay,
that to 20 because I thought the 80 was a lot. So
that's fine.
yeah, this is what I got so far.
Okay, so allow me just some few minutes to just sign in on my Zoom so I can show to Daniel as well, I mean to Will, uh, what you just did as well, so we can all be on the same page. All right, so I'm gonna join the meeting. Let me just join. So let's see the meeting. Right. Okay, I think I've been added. Uh, Give me a second. So
My dog is going absolutely nuts right now.
why?
I don't know. He's just ooh, Minecraft.
Who's on Minecraft?
I like Minecraft.
Could you please
What?
remove?
No, there was nothing.
Could you remove the Minecraft, please?
There was nothing there. What are you talking about?
Okay, I get you. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to find a way around to. Kind of interesting. Let me just end. Actually,
Hang on, I gotta go help my dog find his ball. I'll be right back.
that's fine. I think. Okay. So let me just. Uh,
Are you you're not connected?
no, I'm not. I'm still trying to make it work on my Zoom here. It's always a hassle.
I'm
Oh,
back.
I get it. It's my mistake. It's fine. I think it should work now. Yep, I should be in. I think I should be in now. 8, 7, 9. Okay. So exactly. Good. Now, could you please re-show me so I would just display. So this is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna scan the code. Yep, it's scanned. I'm coming. Okay.
Yay!
Now let's see. Let me share it here on my Zoom so we can all know what we are up to. Okay.
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 All
All
right.
right.
So can you see my screen? So
So
I'm
I'm
going
Yeah, I
to
can.
click. Okay. I think it shows. You
You
know,
know,
if you
if
are
you are
trying to
to
swipe
swipe
your hand,
nice.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It
It
works.
works.
If you hit one of the options, then it sets the button text to.
So
So
look,
look,
it's
it's
working.
working.
I'm just
Just
swiping
swiping
my
my
hand
hand.
and it's
It's
working.
working.
And
And
when
when
you
you
If you
click
click,
if you
email on the
select one of them,
so
so
you
if you
you
have
have
select
to
one of
be
them,
from
from
the
the
very
very
top.
top.
So
So
from the
from the
very
very
top,
top,
from
from
screen
screen
one,
one,
that's
that's
when you
when you
put
put
your
your
finger
finger
and you
and you
just
just
swipe,
swipe
and it
and it
just
just
comes
comes
back
back
and
and
goes.
goes.
So
So
you
you
did a
did a
good
good
job.
job.
All right. So let's come back to Will. Let's see what Will has. Will, what do you have for us?
A bunga bunga. I got it.
Show me what you have.
All right. So, okay, what the all right, there we go. Finally, it will drag. So, I'm making a website for my YouTube channel again.
It's not done yet. You have to finish. It's not done. Your code is not done.
Really? All right, I must have missed that part. What do I need to do?
Do you have the button?
Oh, I need a button to show it. Right. I should have done that. I'm stupid. I was focusing too much on that code. Button. We're going to want to. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Oh, right. We gotta go to Assignment Center, Top Center. All right, so we got that little thing.
Will, we are behind schedule. Just go in the code and put me some code in there, okay? We are behind schedule. I'm trying to make it.
All right. Button one. Button one. Click. Do. All right. No, wait. There's one more thing I forgot to do. I need to throw in another button here. And then button two, I'm going to go a step further than Daniel. When button two click, there's no hide button, is there?
There is a hide button.
there is. It's just in alphabetical order.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's weird. All right, so I went a step farther than Daniel and put a hide button. I don't know
Okay.
why.
So
All right, you want to try this?
Yeah. So let me see your code.
Wait, okay.
Go to connect.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Connect.
You have the width to 80 still, right?
Go to connect.
It's gonna cover up the button.
Yeah. AI companion, AI companion.
Alright, sorry.
So let me see. Okay. So let's
Ah!
unshare your screen and let's test it. All right. So this is what we'll have to have. Okay. So normally when I click this, it should show. Okay, we see how for real. So I click anywhere, it just hides. So this was
Oh, okay.
the second
That
one.
was unnecessary. Oh, I thought it.
So when you click anywhere, it shows. And when I'm gonna put my hand on my finger on the very top here of the screen one, and I'm gonna pull your screen. It comes out. It comes out. So this was already done by the extent. It's already provided within the plugin within the extension. Okay, so you did
So I didn't even need the button. That's wild.
Yeah. So excellent. I'm gonna share my screen now and just exit. So you guys, that's a little bit I gave you for the extension, and there are so many extensions out there. It really depends on what you want to do. So you will have to go out there and look for those extensions on your own, download them, integrate them, and make use of them. Do you guys have any questions on this regards? Do you guys have any questions? Daniel, Will? Daniel, Will, are you there?
Oh yeah, I'm here. I don't have any
Do you
questions.
guys have any questions? Daniel, any questions? We have 15 more minutes.
No, I'm good.
Okay, so
Although,
mhm.
we never learned how to post our apps to the App Store.
Have I not taught you how to do that?
You did.
Oh yeah,
You did?
I don't think I
You,
taught you.
I think
But
you did.
well, to post your app to the no, I don't think I did. So when you
You
finish your
taught us how
app,
to post it to the gallery.
oh no, here
Wait, what?
no, so not the gallery. The gallery is very much different to so publish to gallery. This is very much different. So this is the gallery will be so let's say you selected the menu bar and I click publish to gallery. It's giving me an error, I guess. So good. So when you publish it to the gallery here, do you guys remember when we build our little games on Scratch, you can publish it to the Scratch community. So this is something similar to that. Okay. So to do it, so the gallery is basically a place where many people created different types of projects the same way, and you can just go in and find those projects, and yeah, you can download them or use them or get inspiration from them. So you would want to publish projects which, again, not the projects which you are planning. So for example, I made a project on blood donation here. So I doubt I would want this project source code to be on the public or for the community because I have my codes there, etc. So I want to keep this project private to myself. Is that okay? And you can see I have so many extensions. I have a notification extension, which basically send a notification whenever someone sends data in the database. I have the sidebar, I have an SMTP and so on. All right, guys. So the next thing would be maybe what Daniel just asked me. How do you publish to the Google console? Just to let you know, the Google console, so go to Google Play Console.
Don't you need money to
you need money,
Publish it.
but it's a
Yeah.
one-time, it's only a one-time payment of $25. Only a one-time payment
Oh God. Okay. The
of
App
only
Store, I think
yeah,
the App
the App
Store was like
Store.
199.
Okay, so the Google Store is only a one-time payment for life for $25. Okay, Daniel. So it's kind of easy. So if you have a Gmail account, it's pretty much kind of easy. Okay, once you do, I'm currently signed to my account. All you need to do is just fill in the information it gives you. Okay, and just give in your credit card or debit card or whatever, and just pay. Once you pay, automatically it gives you access. So let me just show you a little bit what the Play console looks like. So um, so you can see I have my apps here. I have two apps here, which is basically the logo you are seeing here. Okay, so one has the status unpublished, one is in production, is already published. And you can see it's published because it gives you a link here, view on Google Play. When I click, it automatically takes you, of course, this is me here, and this is my app here. And these are some screenshots I use, okay? So you can see that it gives you all these things. Maybe we will need a whole other course with you guys to just show you. Maybe we will need 2 or 3 more calls. At least I would say three to 5 calls just to go through each of these. At first, it might seem a little bit mind-blowing because it's a lot of information you have to fill in, process, and give in before publishing. So that's the Google Play Store, basically, guys. So yeah. I think we are already out of time. We have 10 more minutes. Any more questions, guys? Daniel, Will, any more questions?
No, I think I'm good.
How about you? Daniel?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay, then if you are good, then I have this last thing I want to ask you to do, which is, as always, I would like you guys to share your input and your feedback, to give me back input and feedback with regards to the course. So just give me a second.
You gonna give us like a Google poll or something?
Uh, yeah, why not? Why not? So I'm just gonna stop this here. So I'm gonna stop this recording for a